Welcome everyone, this is Joy of Joy Moore's Beauty, and in this video I'm going to be trying some brand new to me, colored Raine lip lacquer, so stay tuned. I've been waiting for a while, just trying to find some other lip products to kind of branch out into. I have quite a few favorite brands, but I'm always game for trying something new. And I saw that Colored Raine came out with these beautiful nude lip lacquers. And I think that they've had lip lacquers in their brand for a while, if I'm not mistaken, but I've never purchased any Colored Raine products before. So this was new for me, but when I saw that, I said I had to get at least one of them. Then I knew I had to buy some of the other shades that were my favorites to see if I like the formula. I have a couple shades and I'm going to try them for you and then just, you know, let you see what they look like. So to see if there's something that you might be interested in. So go ahead and stay tuned. This first shade is Jacqueline, which to me kind of looks like a nude, almost, yeah, it's just a nude. It was a nude that I thought might possibly match my complexion to look nice with my complexion. So this was from the new nude collection. This is pretty. Has like this warm vanilla candy smell to it. It makes you just kind of keep wanting to put it on. And I know, like, you feel like a lip gloss lip lacquer is a little impractical with everything we have going on in the world right now, but this is so pretty. I would just kind of apply it when I needed to have it on. Okay, this next one is called Single, which is kind of like a soft pink. I love it looking all juicy like that. That's beautiful. Okay, I wanted to try something a little darker. So this one is called XoXo, which kind of looks like a little bit of a, kind of like a mauvish going into plum type of color. This reminds me of the color that my mother wore like every day. It was like this kind of like violet plum color. And maybe that's why I still like this color so much, because it reminds me of my mom. But she loved colors like this, and they looked so beautiful on her skin. She had a complexion that was a bit deeper than mine. And these deep, rich plum burgundy type of colors, they were just like so gorgeous on her skin. Ooh, that's pretty on camera. Ooh, I like that. XoXo. Okay, and last but not least, this is the Cherry Blossom Lip Lacquer. I've heard so much about Cherry Blossom, and I never purchased it. I know that it's a liquid lipstick for Cherry Blossom, but I said I'd go ahead and pick this up and see how I liked it. So let's see. Ooh, that is beautiful. Gosh. That is a beautiful, beautiful red lip. Easy to put on. It's getting everywhere though. It's getting everywhere. So what's the verdict on the Colored Raine lip lacquers, with this being my first time trying? First off, I will say I love how thick the formula is. I know that previously when I have reviewed some thicker lip glosses on my channel, I've gotten some feedback from some people who watch my videos that they don't particularly care for a lot of lip glosses because the formulas are so thin. So if you are that type of person who tends to shy away from lip glosses and lip lacquers and those types of products, because you don't feel like they're thick enough to provide coverage over your lips, you may want to try this Colored Raine formula. It is very, very thick. It covers like a lip a lipstick. It has completely covered the skin on my lips. It's beautiful. It builds nicely. It makes your lips just look plump and juicy. You know, if you have really, really dry lips, a lip gloss is always a better choice because it'll help your lips to look a lot, you know, healthier and plumper. A lot of times when you try on a liquid lipstick, if your lips are not properly moisturized or if they're chapped, the liquid lipstick, most of them will only just enhance that. So if that's something that you struggle with, lip glosses can be great too. And especially with us, you know, having our faces covered a lot of times right now, this formula is easy enough that you could put this on in a car. I would just recommend that you clean the actual applicator off, the excess product off, and then just go over your lips one time to just kind of coat the entirety of your lips, and then go in with extra coats to kind of build up that juiciness. You should be able to get away from using a lip liner if you apply the product that way. I like this a lot. It reminds me of my other favorite lip gloss brand that I have reviewed so many times on this channel. I'll include some videos up above where it's just super thick and it feels like the type of formula that would stay all day. These are beautiful. This cherry rain color is just I'm mad that I waited so long to buy it because I saw it. I mean, I've heard about it for years. This is like the prettiest shade of red. I can't stop looking at it. It's just like popping. It's beautiful. And I think with the lip lacquer, that wonderful sheen on the lips, and it makes the lips like look so plump and juicy. It's just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful formula. I noticed that the first one, I think this was one of the newer ones that came out from the nude collection, the Jack one, seemed to have a little bit of like a candy bubblegum scent. Yeah, a little bit, but the other ones didn't really seem to have any type of scent in particular, but I felt like I could smell the actual oils that were in the formula. So that's something else to think about, but I'm pleased. I'm happy I bought this. This is gonna be getting a lot of use. These lips are gorgeous and they were super easy to put on. I put lip liner on with the first one, with the nude one, but I don't even feel like you would really need that, especially for a lot of us who, if your natural lips have a line already there like mine do, a lot of people of color, our lips already naturally have a darker line. Then with you going on with that first coat and just doing that very light coat all over your lips and then building up the more intense color on the inner part of your lips, that should suffice because this formula is so thick. So I love this. I'm going to be using this. I'm going to be wearing this. So this was a great product discovery for me. I'm very pleased, and maybe I have convinced you to pick it up too, or maybe you own it. So I would love to hear you know, some of your comments and thoughts and suggestions below. Make sure to leave them below. And thanks so much for staying tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.